So I thought it was going to be, I saw the word plumping, and plumping goes to lip products. Why would your blush need to plump? Hey everyone, Wygo Warrior aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what is in the January 2021 test tube from Newbeauty, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so for anyone who isn't aware of what test tube is a $29.95 every other month beauty subscription box. And it's called test tube because not only do you get this box, inside it is a test tube or a tube. And the reason they send the box is because oftentimes there are larger or more products that can actually fit inside the test tube. So this is what the tube looks like this month. Blue with astrological signs, stars and a moon, and this looks familiar, maybe a repeat. But anyways, we are going to do an unboxing and see what I received. Alright, so the first item is by Youtheory, Immune Plus Daily Wellness. It's a full spectrum mushrooms plus Wellmune, 60 vegetarian capsules. Gonna look at the card because first item already stumped, and normally there's a little pamphlet booklet, not a card, and this card is like a advert and not anything that gives information on the products. So let me read the bottle to see what. I don't eat mushrooms, so I was kind of turned off when it said mushrooms. I'm also not a vegetarian, so that kind of turned me off. But I do take daily supplements, so let's see what this is good for. Suggested use. For daily immune maintenance, take 3 capsules daily. For immediate immune support, take 3 capsules twice daily. Immune from what? I'm gonna look this up on the old interwebs and link anything I can find on the screen and move along to the next product. The next item is whatever this is. This is Mighty Patch Micropoint for dark spots, and you get only 6 patches. Interesting. I've received patches for like acne, but I do have dark spots. Well, I do a good job with my makeup trying to cover them up. What is this all about? Again, with my trusty friend here. Blemishes like to leave their mark. Fight back with Micropoint for dark spots. A powerful post-blemish patch that uses 173 dissolving micropoints to deliver an advanced combo of brightening ingredients. It'll be like the pimple never happened. What? What are the ingredients? Sodium hyaluronate, trehalose, glycerin, niacinamide, vitamin B3, propanediol, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, glycolic. Those are all really good ingredients. Comment down below if you've ever heard of this product or something similar. I don't know how well it will pick up. Those are the little steps that you take. Interesting. I don't know why you only get 6 patches, but guess what? I have something. It's very concealed, but I will give that one a test and report back. Okay, now on to the tube itself. And it's not as packed as other tubes, but let's see what the first item is. We have this product here, which is Éminence Organic Skincare Monoi Age Corrective Night Cream for face and neck. And it does say gift, which to me means this is sample size. It does look kind of small. Oh, yes. So here's the box, and there's the package. And it is 15 milliliters. I am not familiar with this brand. It looks French, kind of chic, fancy. Oh, and it is not safety sealed, so, but it is filled to the brim. And since it did say décolletage, I will try it there. It has a very, very, very soft and subtle scent. That's lovely. It's like if floral and grapefruit had a little subtle soft baby. It's lovely. All right, on to the next item. Ooh, what is this? Grande Cosmetics Grandepop. It's a plumping liquid blush. Cinnamon sugar. Wait, what? Why would... So you have... I thought it was going to be... I saw the word plumping, and plumping goes to lip products. Why would your blush need to plump? Why is this box so hard to open? Again with the packaging. Here's the product, and here's the box. Why? Why? Alright, so... Interesting. Let's do a little color swatch. Ooh! That is unexpected. The world's biggest doe foot from a little tiny bottle. Alright, I'm just going to tap a little bit on, because my experience with liquid blushes is a little bit goes a long way. Alright, let's... Whoa, that is pigmented. I could have even used less. Okay. It's very orange, warm, and... Oh, why did I swatch that? Well... I think for my skin tone, that's a little too orangey for me. Alright. Moving on to the next item. What is it? It's heavy. And big. And can't find the label. There we go. Christopher Robin. Shampooing. Why? In French, always. Okay, cleansing mask with lemon. Ooh, I love lemon. What is a cleansing mask? Oh, it's sealed. Can't smell the lemon. I am not super into fancy hair products, so let me see what it says to do. Alright, apply to wet hair, then emulsify the product 4 to 5 times by adding little by little with some water. Finish by rinsing thoroughly. For a deep care treatment, leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes. No parabens, silicone, SLS, and colorant. What? Comment down below if you know what SLS is, and please explain that to me. Alright, I'm on the fence on this one. It has a lemon scent, and I love that. So I may try it. If not, this bad boy may be available in a future giveaway, because I know a lot of my viewers love the hair care. Alright, on to the next item. What is this? Looks and feels like a serum of some sort. This is from, oh, Dr. Dennis Gross. I've tried several products from this brand because the third grader in me finds his name hilarious. This is the Stress Rescue Super Serum. Ooh, okay. Don't know what a super serum is or what the ingredients are. I will list... Oh, blush on that hand. I will find any information and list it on the screen. Alright, there's a little dot right there. Oh, it looks like it's going to be thicker, but then it immediately liquefies. Okay, that will be lovely to try. This box is all over the place. Alright, next item is even smaller. Okay, we have a little chapstick or lip balm from John Masters Organics. Lip Calm. Ooh, it's a Hawaiian cocktail. Ooh, it smells like a Hawaiian cocktail. All right, on to the last item. Oh, 111 Skin, super shishi, super expensive. This is the Rose Gold Illuminating Eye Mask. So I presume there'll be 2 masks in here, so one-time use. Now, I find that interesting because this box usually is my Mama Jamma holy type of a box where the value is like over $225 and it's really good. This month, and they're also usually like all full-size products. This seems to be sample. This is sample. A little teeny lip balm. A weird mushroom supplement. A liquid blush, which would be cool. The cinnamon spice, not my shade. These interesting patches, but you only get 6. And then a serum. Oh, and then the Christopher Robin. These 2 seem to be the best. I will list on the screen the actual total price value. Not my favorite box from Newbeauty. I'm not gonna lie, and usually I'm blown away. So leave your comments below. What did you think of the box? Do you agree with me? It's a little lackluster. Do you subscribe? Alright, well, next month in February, they're going to do another special big box, and I got that, and I will do that unboxing video and let you know all about those items. If you're curious what was in the box they did in November, check it out. It was quite the haul. Alright, thanks everyone. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave me a comment. It will really help my channel grow. Alright, thanks everyone.